society.
Okay.
This FDP is a 5-day duration long and is spanned across 14 sessions during this online FDP. Each session, each day is divided into equal sessions, morning and evening, and addressed by uniquely the different experts of the prominent fields. A WhatsApp group is also created for participants as well as the experts, and a chat option is also available on this Microsoft Team link. Please feel free to post any type of query or any inquiry, but with little bit of the restrictions. Don't make unnecessary queries during the sessions, and only query if it is required. Now there is also a provision, as usual, you may be aware of this, that every Atal FDP nowadays has a provision to take or mark attendance every day. So same is here, we will take attendance every day, as well as a test for whole FDP content will be held on last day, that is the Friday of this week. And now this FDP is basically designed for the environmental enthusiasts persons as well as the research scholars and as well as the FDP teachers. I hope and I definitely think that the content delivers or the deliverables of this FDP will definitely be beneficial for your future career as well as day-to-day life. Now I hand it over to our Deputy Director, our training section, to brief you about the faculties and the mentors and the experts and their expertise. So please, Dr. Veerpal, take the charge of the proceedings. Thank you.
Hello guys, very good morning all of you, and you all are warm welcome on behalf of the Director CEG, the Center for E-Governance, organizing the FDP. And this FDP is, as you know all, is sponsored by the Atal AICT New Delhi, and the CEG is organizing body of this FDP. So you all are again warm welcome in this 5-day FDP program. So now I myself, Dr. Veerpal Singh, discuss in very short duration about the organization as well as our expertise. And I like to say thank you very much to our coordinator, Shri Shailesh Joshi, Engineer, Mechanical Engineering, and I also say thanks to our colleagues who helped me to organize this FDP. And I like to say a little bit about the FDP details. This FDP is 5-day programs, and we try our best to contact with the several expertise who are very eminent faculty in the different eminent organizations. They deliver their expert lecture for the benefit of the participants. They use this their knowledge in their own life and research careers to save the environment using the green techniques. Environmental green technique means environmental friendly techniques. So you Center for E-Governance organizing online FDP development program sponsored by AICT Atal Academy on the topic green technology from today to 26 November. The FDP objectives. The objective of this FDP is to understand collaborative educational activities to develop a basic understanding of the energy scenario and to identify renewable energy sources and their utilization. The FDP acquaint the faculties about the recent trend in the green technology research areas and its effect on the energy efficiency of the system along with the impact on environment. About the Atal FDP, the main objective of Atal Academy, AICT New Delhi, is to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in throughout the country to support technical institutions in the fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging areas. Atal Academy have gone totally online from registration of faculty members and participants till certificate distribution mechanism through the portal. About green technology, so what is the green techniques? In very simple way, we can understand the what is the green technique. The any technique we use in our daily life, industries, and any technique, any method which is environment friendly and environment clean method, which is called green technology. So the green technology is an umbrella term that describe the use of technology and science to create product and serve and services that are environmentally friendly. The goal of green technique is to protect the environment, repair damage done to the environment in the past, and the conserve the earth's natural resources. Green technology is the environment technology, green techniques or clean techniques. It is the application of one or more of environmental science, green chemistry, industry, environmental monitoring, and electronic devices to monitor and model, conserve the natural environmental and resources. So the eminent professors or faculties, they come from the different eminent organizations with their enriched knowledge about the green techniques. They share their experiences through their expert lectures in the 14th session during the 5-day faculty programs. One of them is Dr. Ashok Matani, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, Government Engineering College, Amravati. His research areas, energy conservation, environmental pollution, which cover the different technique using to clean and save the environment by using green techniques. Professor Dr. Devanjan Gun, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. He is very eminent professor with enriched knowledge and updated his experiences to deliver his lecture about green techniques and how to save the environment using the green techniques. So he is very eminent professor with enriched knowledge to facilitate or benefit all participants. Dr. Kailash Chandra Sharma, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. He is also a very eminent professor with enriched knowledge who share their knowledge with the participant for their benefits. So we undoubtedly listen and use their knowledge for our benefits. Professor Akhilendra Bhushan Gupta ji, Professor HAG, Department of Civil Engineering, MNIT Jaipur. He is a very eminent professor and using his knowledge for the environment friendly techniques to share his knowledge with all participants for their benefit. Professor GC Dhanchand Dangai sir, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kota, PhD, and with different research papers using his enriched knowledge for the benefit of participants. So thank you to Professor GC Dangai. Dr. Satyendra Singh, Assistant Professor, SMS Medical College, Jaipur, MD transfusions mechanism, and he also very eminent professor using his enriched knowledge for the benefit of the participant. Dr. Manoj Kumawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Delhi, a PhD from Electrical Engineering from sorry from MNIT Jaipur. He has very enriched knowledge about the green techniques, so he deliver his expert lecture for the benefit of the participant to how to use their knowledge for knowing the green techniques. Dr. Veerpal Singh, he has a one session during the 5-day FDP program. He is Deputy Director in Center for Electronic Governance Jaipur. And Dr. Syed Amunullah, Director and Head, Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, CPET Jaipur. He is very eminent professor with high and eminent and rich knowledge. So we are lucky to listen him and use their and know how to use the green technique in the different field like environment conservation, pollution control. Dr. Chandrasekhar Pati Tripathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Institute of Science, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, is very eminent professor with enriched knowledge. He also used the different. He also delivered that lecture on different field. But now, in this FDP program, he delivered a lecture on the how to use the green technique to conserve and save the pollution. So we all listen his knowledge to comfortable and to how to make our life comfortable and save the environment. So we just listen these professors expert lectures. So now the next professor sorry Dr. Subir Devnath, sports officer, a PhD from exercise physiology from Jivaji University Gwalior. He is very eminent professors and he delivers several expert lectures in the different FDPs on how we make ourselves well-being and adjust with environment and how to save the environment. So he will deliver the very beautiful lecture in several times. I have listened, so he is very knowledgeable person. Dr. Pradeep K. Sharma, Professor, Department of Chemistry, General Vyas University, Jodhpur. He is also very eminent and vast experience professor. He used several. He deliver different lectures on how to save the environment. So we just listen his lecture about the different green techniques. Professor Vikas Parikh, Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science and IT, School of Computational Science, Information and Communication Technology, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari Vihar. He has vast experience to deliver expert lecture on the green techniques. So these are the eminent professors who deliver their expert lecture during the session. So thank you very much to join the inaugural session. So now our session will start regularly.